Hello, my name is Stephen Davis. I am one of the partners at THL and I'm the director of mass torts. That means that I get to work on cases against big companies who have hurt lots of people. And one of the litigations that I get to work on is something called forever chemicals, or PFAS, sometimes that's how they're referred to. PFAS is extensively used in military applications, including in airplane hangars as firefighting foam, and many servicemen and women were exposed and have been harmed because of the chemicals in the firefighting foam. The chemicals aren't limited to the firefighting foam though. There are other exposures, and they get into the groundwater and contaminate drinking supplies and water supplies on our military bases. You don't have to be in the military to have been hurt by these forever chemicals. Anybody who spends regular time on base has the potential of being hurt by these chemicals. Of course, that includes our servicemen and women, but that includes their families, that includes their children, that includes civilian contractors and people who visited the base frequently. We know that these chemicals are on many American military installations. How many? There are more than 700 United States military bases that have PFAS levels in excess of what the EPA has said is safe. The best way for you to find out if you were at one of those places is to reach out to us. Now, I want to be clear, we're not suing the US government. We're suing the manufacturers of these chemicals, who for years knew that these chemicals could hurt people, but didn't tell anybody. These chemicals get into your body several different ways. You can be directly exposed to it by working with the chemicals in the firefighting foam or in some other context. They can be breathed in or inhaled from just groundwater contamination or being in the air around the bases or around the facilities where the chemicals are being used. There are different injuries associated with these chemicals. There are multiple kinds of cancer that have been associated with the forever chemicals. It can also cause liver damage, thyroid damage, hormonal disruption can cause developmental delays in children. The bottom line is that these chemicals are forever chemicals, so they don't go away. And they have significant or can have significant effects on the human body. So one of the questions I get asked a lot is, well, what do I get out of, what do you get out of a lawsuit? You might be familiar with the terms pain and suffering, which really is a catch-all to talk about the unpleasant experience that you've had to go through because of your injury, and that's worth money in the American justice system. You can also get reimbursement for medical costs, for lost wages, or for the potential of increased medical costs in the future. You can also be compensated for just the loss of a normal living situation, the loss of a normal lifestyle. If you think that you might have been exposed to these forever chemicals and that you might be hurt as a result of that, the best thing you can do is reach out to us. You can reach out to THL by going to our website, which is thlawyer.com. There's a chatbot there that'll ask you some easy questions. You can provide the answers, you'll get an instant evaluation, and of course, if you have more questions, we're happy to chat with you.